Howdy everybody, how are y'all doing? It is Monday morning for me and Miss Courtney. We got a few orders going out on eBay, kind of slow weekend, but we're going to show them to you nonetheless. And then we got a sale on our website from a viewer that reached out to us a couple months ago, so we're going to go over that too. And yeah, y'all come along with us for the ride. And what else?
If you haven't already, send me your address with a brief description of what you gave us so I can send you something if you want.
If not, no hard feelings. But if y'all enjoy reselling type of content, eBay, that kind of deal, yard sales, whatever, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for us. We'd greatly appreciate it. Don't cost you anything, completely free. And let's jump in here. Let's get these orders pulled. We may not even be in a frame right now. We may be standing way off to the right. It looks like we are, don't it?
Kind of.
Anyhow, y'all, come on. Alrighty guys and gals, so maybe, I'm hoping, I've been trying to fix it with every video, doing something different. Hopefully I fixed them little black lines that y'all been seeing in here. They've been about to drive me crazy, so I know they've been driving y'all crazy because of the lighting in here, but I'm hoping I fixed it now. I was messing around with the GoPro settings and we did some test shots, so I'm hoping and praying I fixed it. If not, y'all bear with me. It may be a couple more videos I won't know until I go to edit. But hopefully it is fixed. And
would it be easier to turn them lights on?
I did notice it. Now let's try it. Let's leave it like this for now. See what happens. Okay. Gotta save that power bill. So we got a few things that sold on eBay. Let's go ahead and grab. And B1, we got to get an official Nintendo GameCube microphone. Let's see, this and this. That's it right there. That's it. Oh, Christmas. You don't sing?
No.
What would you sing?
Nothing, because I don't sing.
But what would you sing? What was that song you used to listen to all the time?
I don't know what you're talking about. Can we just get on with the orders? We got a lot.
You'd sing Stanky Leg, wouldn't you?
No.
Yeah, you would.
No, I wouldn't.
This sold for $8.40, buyer paying shipping. Picked this up in the GameCube lot we bought, and this sold in about, what, a week and a half?
Something like that.
Next thing we got to get, same lot we got out, is some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle games. It's these two right here. And I will have to repackage that one disc so it don't get scratched per buyer request. And I mean, it makes sense because it won't fit in there right. But we threw them in the JFJ, got them cleaned up for him. $15.36, buyer paying shipping, took about 4 days. Next thing is a biggin. Y'all remember this joker?
Tippy toes.
This is that Brother CS6000i we picked up during the eBay for Beginners series. Paid $60 for this, a clock, and a droid. And that droid just about got us to profit. Still hadn't messed with the clock. But this right here sold for us. Y'all seen me test and list this. $159.25 with a buyer paying shipping. So awesome flip of that.
I dread boxing that up.
I'm going to tape that joker down and put it in a poly bag. Now I'm going to tape it down, put it in a large box, and
let it go.
I mean, it's already packaged up nice in there. So. We sold a vintage 1995 Mighty Morphin Power Rangers the movie. Puzzles and Mazes book. It is not inventoried.
Because I don't know where. I've never seen that. That's something Colton just grabbed and took off. He knew exactly where it was. Colton inventoried it.
This funny story was actually mine when I was younger. And we just recently found it. Never wrote in or nothing. Got some discoloration, but I mean, that comes with the age. This sold for $7, buyer paying shipping. Got the fleas. Got fleas. Now we sold a Wii Sports Resort game. Right here. Picked this up for $4 at a thrift store. This sold $15.05, buyer paying shipping. This sold in 5 days, something like that. I didn't say how long. This sold in, I have no idea.
Like a day and a half.
Sure.
2 days, something like that.
About a week.
Who knows?
Next thing is on G1, a Kingway refill ink set. This is for Epson printers. You know, you just put the bottles of ink in a tank, whatever that is. And this sold $13.96, buyer paying shipment. This took
a couple months to sell.
Probably 5 months at least, maybe 6, something like that. It's been a while. So happy with that. I'll do one more and let Courtney take over. We got to get a Breed DVD. The Breed. Sounds like something off National Geographic.
Definitely not National Geographic.
This is a Wes Craven production. The Breed, directed by Nick Mastandrea. They Can Smell Your Fear. This was in that DVD lot we bought. This sold $8.25, free ship. Probably took 3 weeks to sell. We've been selling them though, so I can't really
consistently.
Yeah, and yeah. So it mailed at $2.80 medium mail rate. All right, so let me go ahead and pull our website store order we had. Jennifer and Ryan reached out to us, 3 months ago, and asked about a we had gotten, and they needed one. So I said, well, let me get this one tested and I'll list it for you on our website and you can purchase it. Well, Miss Courtney tested it and the controller was shot. Couldn't get it to work. So I emailed her back. I said, hey, the controller's messed up. Give me some time to find a new one. That was like 3 months ago. Well, when we've been going out, we've been looking for one, but we haven't found one until recently. And she needed 2 controllers, so we found one. Courtney tested it, worked great. And then by miracle this past week, we ran into another one. So I finally got the bundle together for her, put it on the website, and Jennifer and Ryan bought this right here. A little bundle we put together for them. It's the Wii, and it's the GameCube compatible model. I think it's the 101 or the 001. Which one is it?
I had no idea.
I think it's the, RBL 001 model. Got 2 controllers, 1 and 2, all the cords, and then we're also the Wii Sports game. So, I mean, I don't know what we had into
set it to the
this.
side.
Do you know what we had into it? Not really.
Not
Anyhow,
much.
Whenever a viewer, if they reach out to us wanting something they see in our videos, if we can, we'll put it on our website and can give it to y'all cheaper than what it would sell for on eBay. 1, because y'all are our friends, so we can give y'all the family discount, and 2, we don't have to pay fees on it through eBay. So sold this whole bundle to them, $59.99 free ship to their door. So that's going out to them. Thank y'all so much for that. Hopefully y'all can get some good use out of it, enjoy it. Sorry it took 3 months,
but we got 2 controllers
but
now.
we got it done
right before Christmas. So.
Anyhow, thank y'all again. Let me switch over to Courtney now and let Courtney pull some, because my fat tail getting out of breath. 3, 2, 1, action.
So, what was it, last weekend? I keep forgetting when we bought this stuff.
Yeah.
Last weekend, if y'all was seeing Colton's samurai sword crap.
Fighting swords.
Whatever
it
it
ain't
is.
crap, it's swords.
From Lord of
knives.
the Rings. I bought all the Bath and Body Works. It was not filmed. So I'm trying to remember exactly when we bought it.
Why am we so out of breath?
I don't know. It's just... So let me pull these through real quick. I know y'all are probably thinking, y'all sold this too cheap when I tell you. But, you know.
That's Miss Courtney for you.
1, I just asked Colton. He said, here, put it up for this. He wasn't really paying attention to me. But 2, I'm already in the profit, so it really doesn't matter. Oh, that's the wrong bottle. So it is 2 bottles of the lavender and sandalwood with natural... God, I'm out of breath. Lavender oil.
We got that COVID or
body
something.
mist, and then a tube of the lotion to match it. And for this, I got $20.99 plus shipping. So now let me catch Colton's back up. Whew. I'm so out of breath, y'all. So now we gotta pull some pins on M4. So y'all come on. So it's these 2 packs of pens right here. It's the Quick Dry Super Smooth Ink Gelosity and the Papermate Ink Joy. And for those, it was $10.50 free ship. Am I even in the camera? You look like you're pointing way down.
I got you right where I need you, right there. Because I got to put a comp right here.
Right there.
And we don't want to block our Easter egg.
So now we got to pull a WWE Day of Reckoning Nintendo GameCube disc only. Right here. For this, it is $9.99 plus shipping. I'm gonna have to do some exercises or something, guys. Alright, now we gotta pull a... It's actually a new one I got from Brandon when we traded the grill for LuLaRoe. So don't worry, he's getting a new one. So now, let's pull this skirt. P8. Be in our new LuLaRoe barrel. And for this, it is a Cassie multicolor floral stretchy pencil skirt. I just sold similar. Sold this for $20.62 plus shipping. And that's the orders going out. What? Colton's back there going. And y'all thought he sees crazy stuff. So we're going to get these packed up and sent out. And we'll come back to you.
So, Jennifer and Ryan, lady and gentleman who purchased the weed, they've been watching this for a while now. And they had some pretty demanding things for how they wanted it packaged. Don't tell me how to do my job. Just for that, we put yours into a lovely poly bag. And I don't accept return, so whatever happens with it, I mean, that's what happens, see? You can't say nothing to the hand that feeds you. You think that'll get there safe? Why? We can put fragile on it. I'm just kidding. Now, she said she knew that there was a few people and I was making fun of them in our videos about telling us how to pack. She says, this is how I need it packaged. ... Just kidding. Ha ha ha. That made me laugh. Now we're going to get it packed up safe for you. We got the bubble wrap and the foam. Probably won't use no foam though, just being honest.
Some air bubbles.
Got some air bubbles. We'll get it to you safe. Hopefully you enjoy it. Alrighty guys and gals, we got all the orders packed up here. As y'all can see them all there. Mr. Ryan and Miss Jennifer, that George right there. That's a sewing machine. But that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. How long did it take us to pack in orders? What time is it?
8:13.
8:13, so about 30 minutes. I'll take that. Anyhow, now we got to get in here and get our listings done. Thanksgiving's coming up. I'm going to film our Thanksgiving, most of it anyhow, and put it on Dixie Roots channel. If y'all haven't seen that channel or heard about it, link down below. It's just going to be our family vlogging and eating videos, whatever, on Dixie Roots. So if y'all want to see that. So if y'all are free on Thanksgiving, or maybe you're locked down, or you don't have anywhere to go, maybe you're in quarantine due to the virus, something to that effect, make sure Thursday evening I will release our Thanksgiving Day video on Dixie Roots channel. Again, it's linked down below. So, I mean, you're more than welcome to go over there and take part in that with us and hang out. So that'd be awesome. It will be pre-recorded, not live, unfortunately, because we got a lot of folks coming over. What are we doing now? About to list. So we're going to list the rest of the day, I reckon. And I'm going to get back there in the back and do some work back there, clean up, that kind of deal, and start getting ready for that stuff. So, yeah, I mean, that's it for today, I guess. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up. 3, 2, 1. Action.
And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button as well as the notification bell.
Yeah. Well, probably see y'all again on Wednesday before Thanksgiving. And we'll see y'all then. Y'all take care. Be safe. Hope hopefully the kids are out of school due to Thanksgiving break, so y'all make sure to spend as much time as you can with your children and family this week. And I mean, put eBay on the back burner right at Thanksgiving, right? Sure. We'll see y'all.